HER2CLIMB was another induction maintenance overall strategy. These are patients who had 4 to 8 cycles of THP induction, centrally confirmed HER2 positive disease, good performance status, good laboratory parameters, etc. They were randomized 1-to-1 to tucatinib with HP and endocrine therapy, or placebo and HP every 21 days along with endocrine therapy. And the results showed superiority of the addition of tucatinib with a hazard ratio of 0.64 and a highly significant p-value, a delta at the median of about 8 months and change, I believe. And so this is another, theoretical option for patients in terms of a maintenance strategy, particularly, perhaps those patients with brain metastasis would be an option if they, for some reason, can't take the DB09 regimen and have already started on THP, then this would be a logical next step, perhaps. But HER2CLIMB-05 has some toxicity challenges.
Mhm,
In
mhm.
particular, there's a lot more diarrhea when you add tucatinib,
Mhm,
especially with a pertuzumab-based dual antibody backbone.
mhm.
It's over 70% all-grade diarrhea. And there was significant transaminase elevation, and
Yeah.
probably I would estimate 35–40% of the transaminase elevations were grade 3 or
Mhm.
higher. So it's challenged with toxicities. And so it may not be, the best choice for all patients, but it could be a consideration for someone who maybe is not able to tolerate a TDXd-based induction strategy and instead had to get THP, or a clinician was saving THP for later. It is an option, and I think it's an option that could be discussed with patients on a case-by-case basis, just so that they can have an informed decision one way or the other.
I think you nailed it. Here you're doing tucatinib with naked antibodies, right? And it's still pretty toxic.
It
I
is,
mean, yeah,
surprisingly.
yeah. Surprisingly, the LFT's elevation was surprising. It was the reasons for discontinuation, which was seen in up to 1 in 4 patients
Yes.
due to LFT elevation. So that's why for me, especially when they talk about the HER2CLIMB-05, I'd be like, maybe that's not better tolerated than doing the DB09. So that idea is flawed for me when we talk about those.